In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clean your Windows 11 cache, okay? Now, this is going to be done by doing a couple of 2-3 different tricks here, okay? Now, with the following tricks that I'm going to go ahead and show you, you'll definitely be able to see the difference as far as how fast your computer is going to be right after you do this, okay? Now, let's go ahead and get started, all right? First thing you're going to want to do is come down here to your start button right there and go ahead and right click. Then afterwards, you're going to come right here where it says settings, okay? Then right after you go to settings, make sure system is selected, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down right here where it says storage, okay? So you go ahead and click right there where it says storage, and then right there you're going to want to come down right there where it says temporary files, okay? So you click right there and then make sure all of these are selected. If you have a lot of downloads that you want to go ahead and keep, go ahead and untick that. Otherwise, go ahead and put the check mark right there, okay? So that's going to be the first method, okay? Go ahead and right afterwards, just go ahead and click remove files. It's going to go ahead and ask you. Then that's it. So that will definitely speed up your hard drive, by getting some of those temporary files out of there, okay? So that's method number one. Okay, now moving on to method number two, go ahead and press your Windows plus R key at the same time, and then you're gonna get this run command window, okay? So right afterwards, you're gonna go ahead and type the following, okay? You're gonna go ahead and type percentage and then the word temp and then percentage sign again, okay? And then afterwards, go ahead and press enter, okay? And then as you can see, you have a lot of these files right there. So just go ahead and click Control A, or just go ahead and select all of them right there with your cursor, okay? So, but you can go ahead and press Control A, and it's gonna go ahead and select all of them. Then just go ahead and press delete, okay? And it's gonna go ahead and delete all of these files. There's a couple of folders that are gonna have to stay there, okay? So just leave those right there. Just a couple of these folders that are needed right there for your operating system. All right, so that's method number two. Go ahead and delete your temporary files, okay? So that will definitely make a difference. Moving on to method number three now, we're gonna go ahead and flush our DNS, okay? So for that, we're gonna go ahead and pull up our command prompt. You're gonna come down here to your start button, then you're gonna go ahead and type CMD, you're gonna press enter, there you go. And then right afterwards, you're just gonna go ahead and put that command right there, ipconfig /flush DNS. Okay, now flushing out your domain name system, that's what that stands for, okay? DNS. We're gonna go ahead and help out by cleaning out all the history of all the websites that you visit. All right, sometimes if you go ahead and constantly visit certain websites, your server is gonna get really slow, and you'll definitely be able to see the difference. All right, so go ahead and do this probably, if you can, every other day, or if you can, every day, okay? So that will definitely help out, okay? So right afterwards, you just go ahead and type in your command right there, ipconfig /flush DNS, and then go ahead and press enter. That'll go ahead and clean out your DNS history. As you can see, that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, okay? So there you go, that's method number three. All right, so now we'll go ahead and move on to the fourth and last option. All right, so this is last but not least, okay? For this, we're gonna use our disk cleanup utility. All right, so go ahead and come down here to your start button right there, and then right here, go ahead and just type in disk. You're automatically gonna get the suggestion for the disk cleanup utility. All right, and then this is it right here. It's gonna go ahead and pull up. As you can see, it's gonna go ahead and ask you for different options, that you want to go ahead and delete. Direct X, cache, your recycle bin, it's going to go ahead and your downloads and whatnot, okay? Temporary files. So go ahead and put the check mark in all of them right there, and then afterwards go ahead and click OK. It's going to go ahead and ask you, are you sure you want to go ahead and permanently delete these files? Go ahead and click right there where it says delete files. Depending on how much information you're deleting, it should only take you here probably a few seconds. All right, shouldn't be a problem, and that's it. So I can guarantee you, if you go ahead and do the following task that I just did, probably twice a week, 2-3 times a week, should definitely make a big difference. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video right here. Thank you very much for checking out my channel. See you here shortly in another one. Peace out.